In this video, we'll be looking into the Query Purchase History Blueprint node. This function will return a list of the most recent purchases made by the user of your application for each product, even if expired, cancelled, or consumed. If your user has made no purchases, it will successfully return an empty list. If you would like a full purchase history, you will have to keep track of that yourself, as currently the Google Play billing library does not offer that functionality. When you do have some purchases which you expect to be returned, they'll be returned as a purchase history record object. The information within these objects can be found well documented on our website. Let's take a deeper look into using this blueprint node. Here we are back in Unreal Engine 5.3, right where we left off in the last video. We're going to go and focus on the Query Purchase History section. So let's start off by bringing up the blueprint node itself by searching Query Purchase History. You can see again under the same category we have Query Purchase History. What this does is it will find all the purchases made for a specific product type. If you would like to check for subscriptions and in-app products, you'll have to call this twice. So we'll leave it as in-app products for now. And as usual, we create an onSuccess delegate, Query Purchase History on success, and here you can see we have a list of historical purchases. This is the list of the Query Purchase History object which we saw on the website. If we split the struct, we can then see it's got all the same fields as seen on our website. But the onFailure delegate is similar to all the other onFailure delegates we've seen, and it produces a billing response code and a response message. Once again, this is a new signature, so this can't be shared with other delegates, but the onFailure is consistent throughout the plugin. From here, you can use the historical purchases, which, keep in mind, are only the most recent purchase by a product, and not all product history, all purchase history. So if you would like a full purchase history, you would have to keep track of that yourself through the success call of the launch billing flow, as well as the check for purchases. Otherwise, if you only want the most recent purchase for each product, you would have to then use this blueprint node. In summary, this blueprint node produces a list of a new object type called Purchase History Record, and if there's been no purchases, it will successfully return an empty list. The failure delegate has the same signature as the other failure delegates we've seen so far, meaning it can be shared across functions if that's what you're after. If you would like to know what products the user currently owns, this is not the function to use. Instead, you should use the Query Purchases blueprint node, which will be covered in the next video.